This is a third eye chakra visualization meditation to embrace unity. I invite you to find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. And whenever you're ready, feel free to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, holding it gently for a moment. Then exhale slowly, releasing any tension found in the body. Allow your breath to settle into a natural rhythm. Now bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. Your third eye chakra lives here. Visualize a glowing indigo light gently pulsating there, radiating warmth and clarity. This is the center of your intuition, your ability to see beyond the physical and connect with the unseen threads of existence. As you focus on this light, ask yourself, what do I perceive as separate in my life? Where do I see division between myself and others? Between nature and humanity? Between the spiritual and the physical? Now, with each breath, imagine the indigo light expanding, reaching out like streams of energy. See these streams intertwining with everything around you. The people you know, the earth beneath you, the sky above, and the vast universe beyond. Visualize a web of connection. It's shimmering and it's alive, where every being, every atom, every thought is linked. Feel the pulse of unity flowing through this web as it reminds you that nothing exists in isolation. Let this realization settle into your heart. We are all part of one magnificent whole, interconnected and interdependent. And as you continue to breathe, feel a deep sense of peace and belonging. The divisions you once perceived begin to dissolve, replaced by the understanding that separation is an illusion. Everything is one. Everything is connected. when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you decide to open your eyes, carry this sense of unity with you into the world, knowing that the web of connection is always present and always guiding you. May you continue to flow in favor, and may harmony be unleashed in you, mind, body, and soul. And so it is.